Question 11, Part E. Use the substitution u equals 2x minus 1 to evaluate the integral of x over 2x minus 1 in brackets squared dx from x equals 1 to x equals 2. My first step is to change the limits of integration in terms of u, given the substitution u equals 2x minus 1. Now when x equals 1, which is the lower limit, u is equal to 1, and when x equals 2, which is our upper limit, u is equal to 3. The next step is to express the differential dx in terms of the differential du. So differentiating the substitution with respect to x, we get du dx is equal to 2, and then rearranging this equation to make du the subject, we get du is equal to 2 times dx, or dx is equal to half du. And I've made dx the subject because eventually I'm going to have to replace the differential dx with its equivalent in du. Now the next step is to express x, which is the numerator of the integrand, in terms of u, because that will have to get substituted out as well and replaced with its equivalent expression in u. So rearranging the substitution to make x the subject, we get x is equal to half outside of u plus 1 in brackets. Now the original integral can be written as the integral from u equals 1 to u equals 3 of half outside of u plus 1 in brackets over u squared times half du. Now the half here, which is a multiplying constant, and this half here, which is another multiplying constant, so half times half is 1 over 4, and that can be placed outside of the integral. Then we have u plus 1 over u squared, which can be written as 1 over u plus 1 over u squared. So the integral becomes 1 over 4 times the integral from u equals 1 to u equals 3 of 1 over u plus 1 over u squared du. So performing the integration, the integral of 1 over u is ln u, and the integral of 1 over u squared is negative 1 over u. The next step is to apply the limits of integration. So evaluating this expression here, we get 1 over 4 outside of ln 3 minus 1 over 3 in brackets minus ln 1 minus 1 over 1 in brackets, all in brackets. Now ln 1 is 0 and 1 over 1 is 1, and we have minus negative 1, which will become positive 1. So we get 1 over 4 outside of ln 3 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 in brackets. And that equals 1 over 4 outside of ln 3 plus 2 over 3 in brackets. And if we factorize out 1 over 3, we get 1 over 12 outside of 3 ln 3 plus 2 in brackets.